Forensic DNA fingerprinting and its usage in sexual assault cases in India. This video will explain the whole process of DNA fingerprinting from crime scene to courtroom. DNA is a genetic material having all the information necessary for human existence and its metabolism in the form of genes and codons. Apart from its role in human metabolism, a large portion of DNA has non-coding regions that do not code for any protein, hence called junk DNA. This region contains some repetitive sequences. One of them is STR regions, meaning short tandem repeat. These are repetitive regions of DNA that differ from person to person on the basis of number of repeats. No two individuals will have the same STR repeats except identical twins. This region serves as the basis of DNA fingerprinting. Now let's dwell into the core forensics related to sexual assault cases. In these cases, samples are collected from the crime scene like semen found on garments, bedsheets, condoms, or any other articles, saliva, blood, or hairs. The second type of sample is the reference samples collected by a medical practitioner from the victim, which includes vaginal swab or wash, blood or saliva sample, and from the suspect, which includes blood or saliva sample. Now proceeding to the second stage, now it's time to work in the laboratory. The samples are transferred to forensic labs, RFSL, CFSL or SFSL. Here, the forensic expert's work is to extract DNA from the crime scene samples and reference samples and find out if there is any link between the suspect, victim and crime scene or not. Firstly, they find out if there is the presence of sperm in the liquid, supposed to be semen, found from the vaginal swab or garments of the victim. If sperm appears under a microscope, it confirms that the liquid is sperm and penetration had happened, leading to what is called, in legal language, rape. Then the DNA profile is generated from the same semen sample and matched with that of the DNA sample from reference samples collected from the suspect. If this matches, then the suspect is supposed to have raped the victim. Recently, Allahabad High Court, Lucknow Bench, proposed that even if a partial DNA profile is found, the suspect is under high chances that he would be supposed to be guilty, although this is scientifically not accurate.